guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming a tutorial over this look here. Just a little soft smoky glam. And by soft I mean not soft at all. We got like some navy working up in here. Is my lash coming up? Big fat checks, big large bills, ride not quick, take cartwheels. Get Ross chicks, 10 different looks and my looks all kill. Okay, that's beside the point. Hey Google, just turn it off for this part. Let me make this a little bit more theatrical, if you will. That didn't even work. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Was that horrible or was it horrible? Here for the tea. What's that? No. Oh god.
Yeah, let's go. He's yelling at you.
They're still recording. Okay. Hey guys. And this is why I don't do YouTube. I wonder if the music is too loud. Hey Google, turn the volume down to 1. That's gotta be fun. So first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and tone my face with the Thayer's Witch Hazel toner. So I'm just going to take it on a little cotton round. I wonder if this is even synced or not Neutrogena. Oops, yikes. I'm going to take my Equate Compare to Neutrogena Oil-Free Moisturizer. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with doing my eyebrows. I'm going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dark Brown Dip Brow and start filling in my eyebrows. And I'm just going to take this little Benefit Angled eyebrow brush. So after I do the dip brow, I'm going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Perfect Brow Pencil and I'm just going to fill them in a little bit more with this. So then I'm going to take the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and conceal underneath my brows. Just to shape them up a little bit more. And I'm just taking a little flat brush. I'm just going to feather through again. So we're going to take a little bit more of the Shape Tape and apply some onto the lid as a base for the eyeshadow. I'll probably do both eyes. So that should be enough for that. Then I'm going to take a more fluffy concealer brush and just buff that in. Okay. So I'm going to go in with the Blue Blood eyeshadow palette. This little baby. I'm going to go in with shades Wealth and then Celebrity Skin. So I'm going to go in with these two. Dip into the Alyssa Edwards eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to go into shade Supreme right here with the same fluffy brush, and I'm just going to buff that into the crease. And then I'm going to take just a little bit of Texas Made right here and go in with that on the crease. And then I'm going to take, I'm going to dip back into Blue Blood again. And I'm going to take just a flat-ended brush. This is like from a Naked palette, but just any flat brush will work. And I'm going to dip into shade Power right here. I'm going to put that right on my lid. So I'm going to go back in with this fluffy brush from earlier, and I'm going to take a little bit more of the pink, the Texas Made shade from the Alyssa Edwards palette, and buff that into the crease some more to get a better blend. So this is about the best that we're going to get with this look, and I'm okay with it. So then we are going to move on to base, right? Yeah, because I'm going to wait to do lashes and everything. I'm going to prime my face with the No. 7 Glow Activating Serum. It says it's good to use before makeup and at night, and it leaves my skin feeling kind of tacky, so I'll just use that as my primer for today. Okay. I'm just going to buff that in with my hands. Go in with my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow in shade 203. Okay, I'm so paranoid. So I'm going to take a little bit of that, and this is like kind of my shade, but it's also kind of dark too. So I'm going to take some of that, and then I'm going to buff that in with my Jeffree Star Morphe foundation brush. Okay, problem solved. So then to conceal my face, I'm going to take the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. This one looks good. Sorry. So I'm going to go in with my Real Technique sponge and rock most in. So I'm going to set my face using the Coty Air Sponge Translucent Face Powder. I'm just going to take it on my sponge and dab under the eyes. Does this way. So I'm gonna go ahead and bronze up my face with the Too Faced. Is it melted chocolate? I don't know. The Too Faced chocolate bronzer. So I'm going to add some blush. I'm going to take these Too Faced Sweethearts Perfect Flush Blush in shade Sparkling Bellini. This thing is super old. I don't even know if they sell these anymore. And I'm just going to take this It Cosmetics little heart shade, just a little dense brush. I'm going to take it up on my forehead too to kind of blend with my contour. Just any places where the sun would naturally hit you. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight the face. I'm going to take the Anastasia Amrezy highlighter. I'm going to take it on the high points of my face. Okay, for the under eyes, I'm gonna dip back into the Alyssa Edwards Anastasia palette and go into shade Supreme, the Supreme and Texas Made as well. Okay. I'm gonna mix those two shades together, Texas Made and the Supreme. I'm gonna take the M213 little round brush and buff that underneath. Okay. I'm going to take the same little round brush. I'm going to dip into shade Crystal Flesh, the shade right here. And I'm going to pop that in on my inner corner. I'm going to pop on some lashes. And I lost the box. Oh, shit. Because I've worn these like 1,000 times. So I'm just going to put on my Lily lashes. They're foaming and they're in the style of Tokyo, I believe. So we're going to pop these bad boys on. And I'm going to be using House of Lashes lash glue. Oh shit, I didn't even do mascara. I typically do mascara first, but I guess in this case I'm gonna have to do it afterwards. Because I forgot. Is this even the right lash? Or this side? I think so. Okay. I think this is right. So I'm gonna pop on the Milani gloss. I've been living for this lately, that's why. That's why I'm using it. So it's the Milani lip gloss. Oh, just go. It's the Milani Keep It Full Nourishing Lip Plumper in shade Prismatic Peach, number 3. It's the best. Okay, I think my lashes should be dry enough for some mascara now. Okay, grab it. I'm gonna take the little roller lash by Benefit Cosmetics. Okay. So this is the final look. Go ahead and take down my hair, my stupid baby hairs. I'm sure my hair is a whole mess right now. Oh god. So this is the final look. Oh shit, she's about to die. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys liked it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more content, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And if you'd like to see what I'm doing whenever I'm not on this, then you can check out my Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter, all at Carson Alexis. Did it stop recording? I don't know. Okay. Hey Google, turn the volume up to 3.
I wanna make $1 million, making all my days count, counting with my day one. Before I hit the grave, son, Louis V don't chase, no. I wanna make $1 billion, bring it to my pops, say daddy.